Good morning, kindergarten. This is Math Group 1. Math Group 1, keep turning books to page 83. What you simply have to do for number 1, let's look at number 1. All you have to do is add. So make sure you take your time and adding. But now let's look at number 2. Number 2 wants us to match. So we have numbers on the left side, and then we have number words on the right. So we have 2, 3, 4, 1. And over here we have 4, 3, 1, 2. So I have to match the correct numbers, the words on the right. So we're going to do a couple for example. Let's start off with 2. So number 2, I have to find the word 2 over here in this column. So this is 4, 3, 2. And we're going to do one more 1. I'm going to choose 1. I have to find 1 over here. 4, 3, here we go, 1. So what you're going to do, you're going to, like I said, is match the words that are left with the words that are on the right for that particular problem for number 2. Let's look at number 3. Number 3 wants us to tell us what time that we have on the clock. All we have to do is tell the time by the hour. So what hand is the hour hand, the short hand pointing on? 7. And the minute hand's on 12. So that is correct. 7 o'clock. So when you look at number 3, look at that shorthand. That will tell you what hour it is to tell you the correct time. As we look at number 4, and wants us to color 1/2 of the shape. Notice there's a line splitting evenly. When you color 1/2, that's shading one side. So for example, I'm just going to shade in this side. It's a little shade. So that's 1/2. Over here as well. Do a little shade in. 1/2. So if it's shaded in, the other side is completely even. So when you look on the problem for number 4, make sure you shade in correctly 1/2. Not both, but only one side for each shape. As we flip the page over, let's look at page 84. Number 1, like I said before, you're adding, so take your time when you're adding those problems. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 wants you to count and write by tens, okay? So that's what we have on the board. So right here, this is the first one. That's 10. What's next? 20, 40, 50. Hold on, something's not right. That's not right, is it? No, you're correct. That's not right. So let me fix that. Let's try it again. 10, 20, good job. 30, good job. Hold on. 10, 20, 30, 40, and the last one is 50. So for number 2, you're simply counting by tens. For each item that you have, count by tens. Let's look at number 3. It says fill in the circle under the 6th teddy bear from the left. So you're filling in the circle under the 6th teddy bear from the left. So first you have to start on your left side. And then you're filling that 6th teddy bear. Whatever that teddy bear is. Let's look at number 4. Number 4 simply asks us to write the before and after numbers. I wrote a few examples on the board for us. So let's start off with 36. What comes after 36? By 1. What comes after 36? Good job. 37. 36, 37. Now let's work with 17. What comes after 17? What comes after? 18. You're doing good. Now let's try 29. What comes after 29? Is it 40? No, that's not right. 29. 30. Good job. You too. Good job. So for number 4, take your time writing the number that comes after.